Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add a roof in Planner 5D. So I have a very simple room right here from scratch, and the first thing that you want to do is to simply click on your room right here, and you want to actually identify the height of the actual room. So in my case it's going to be 270 centimeters, and the first thing that we are going to put is the base for our room itself. So you want to click on forms, select this cube right here, and in here you have the elevation. You could just match the height of the room itself. So in my case, it's going to be 270. And in order to make it the actual base, I'm going to change the depth to 10 centimeters just to go ahead and basically show you that this is only going to be a thin layer of the roof itself. So from there, let's go ahead and customize the sizing of the actual roof base. So let's go ahead and make it 200, 200. Of course, you want to match the actual room dimension right here. So let's click on it. Let's try doing 1000. Now you could basically do an overlap just to make sure that you have this realistic roof design onto the actual house itself. So basically I'm fine with this one. Let's just navigate through the 3D viewer, and here it is right here. Of course, you could customize this even further if you want to, but generally right after that, head over to the furnish once more, scroll down, or you could simply search for roof. And here you want to actually put the roof that you want to apply onto your house. So in my case, let's maybe go ahead and do something like this one, or let's do something more appropriate. So let's just click this one. Of course, right after adjusting or getting your roof, once again, you want to edit the elevation. In my case, I'm going to raise it, or I'm just going to put the same amount or value right here, which is going to be 270 centimeters. And for the width and the depth, once again, you could just edit this the way you want to. In my case, it's going to be 600 by 600. Once again, move this, and here it is right here. So you could make this even a little bit for better. Of course, this is only a tutorial. You want to make sure that everything is aligned and everything is good to go. There's no gaps and etc. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.